To create your outcome or quiz results in LeadQuizzes, simply navigate to the outcome section of the quiz builder, and you'll notice that you have two different types of outcomes that you can create. You can create the outcomes builder outcome, which is the one that you're seeing here. This will allow you to add the title and the text that somebody will see directly after they take the quiz. So you can always see a live preview just by clicking right here. You can see what that would look like. With this, you're building it directly in the software. So you're able to adjust the font size of it, be able to bold, italicize, underline, change the alignment. You can also insert links. So you can basically just copy some text here. Good. Insert a link. So you can have the text to display, have a link, decide if you want them to open up in a new window or on that same page. You can also add in images and link to videos. So you can embed either a YouTube or a Vimeo video directly right here in the software. You're also able to apply an additional segmentation here. So if you want to segment your leads further based on the result that they receive, you can add that right here. The second type of outcome that you can build is the redirect URL. So the redirect URL, they're not going to see an outcome that is created in the software. It's going to be an outcome on an outside URL that you provide. So basically what you could do is you could type in your URL that you want to have people go to when somebody takes the quiz and they receive this result. They won't see the outcome title. All they're going to do is just be taken to this URL. They're going to be redirected there immediately. You can also send captured lead data to that URL. So if you're capturing their first name or their email, you can send that over in the URL, and that way you can customize the page a little bit more with a little bit of development work.